What are SMART goals?
SMART goals are a proven way to set and achieve objectives. The acronym stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By following these 5 principles, you clarify exactly what you want, how you'll measure progress, and when you expect to reach your goal. This method helps avoid vague aims and increases your chances of financial success.
How can SMART goals improve personal finance?
Applying SMART goals to personal finance helps you break down large ambitions into concrete action steps. Instead of a generic wish like, "I want to save money," you create a focused plan, such as saving a certain amount for an emergency fund by a specific date. This structure keeps you motivated, tracks progress, and makes financial goals more attainable.
What is an example of a SMART financial goal?
A SMART financial goal might look like this. I will save $1,000 in my emergency fund within 6 months by setting aside $42 per week from my paycheck. Notice how it's specific about the amount, measurable by weekly savings, achievable with planning, relevant to emergencies, and time-bound within half a year.
How do you set your own SMART financial goal?
To set a SMART financial goal, start by identifying what you want to achieve, make it specific and measurable. Check that it's realistic for your situation. Ensure it's relevant to your financial needs and set a deadline. For example, paying off a credit card, saving for a trip, or building a retirement fund can all be clarified using SMART criteria.
Tips for sticking with SMART goals.
Break goals into smaller milestones. Celebrate each achievement and track your progress regularly. Adjust your plan if unexpected expenses arise, but stay focused on your main objective. Remember, the SMART approach isn't just about planning. It's about creating a clear path to financial progress, one step at a time.